Gusto mo bang sumama? Panandaliang kalimutang problema. Ngayong gabi hanggang umaga, mapangiti man lang kita, o pwede ba? Ito na naman tayo. Sumama ka nga, pero hanap mo'y pahinga. Nakatitig sa malayo, nakatayo pero gusto nang humiga. Bakit ba tuwing ako'y papalapit sa'yo, parang di rin naman nandito ang isipan mo? I said, hey, huwag magpapatalo, may bukas naman tayo. Kaya tigilan mo na nga yung pagreklamo. Everybody, please welcome to the stage, Player 2!
Remember when we said when we were working? Was it true when you said that you be fucking? Felt like a rhythm that dance to the music that I'm playing for you and me, baby. Don't tell me what to do, baby, come.
A, B, C, D, you can be my bestie. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters for your life is good when I'm with you, girl. I just know